sleeping here? Because you're ugly duckling. Look at your piece. Look at your piece. Chico. Chico, ugly duckling niya. I am not ugly. It's you. And you. Where have you been, Tony? Tony, are you okay? Yes, I am okay. It's just you that's not okay because you are keep videoing me. Colleen, this is for documentation purposes. Where are you going? What's that in your piece? What's that? Yak tayo yung hinigan mo, mabaho. Daddy love you so much. Lion, where are you now? Chicken nuggets. Psst. Psst. Yeah, the chicken nuggets are sleeping here. Kuning, what are you doing? Tayo na sa loob ng bahay. Kasi may likod tayo. Nandito na lang. Papakyut yun. Ay, ganda. Kuning, ano ba yan? Kuning, tama na.